Okay. What's your name? My name is Tina. Can you spell your name? Tina. Okay. Speak louder, Tina. How old are you, Tina? How old are you? How old are you? 5? Six. Okay. Very good. I'm 5. Next, let's move on to farm animals. Alright, ready? Okay, good. Next, can you point out? What is it? It's a pig. What is the color of the pig? Okay, very good. Next, name. What is it? It's a horse. What is the color of the horse? Okay, very good. Next, what is it? It's a duck. What is the color of the duck? Alright, speak louder. Very good. Next. What is it? It's a rooster. What is the color of the rooster? Okay, high five. Very good. Speak louder, Tina. Okay, next, Tina. I'll let you look at this picture. Right, ready? Okay. What do you see? What does the word say? Okay. Next, what do you see? I see a cow. Alright. What does the camera say? Alright, good. Next, what do you see? I see a cat. What does the cat say? Alright, very good. Next, what do you see? What does the rooster say? Very good. Okay. Next, let's move on to letters and sounds. Okay? H. What letter is that? Letter K. Okay. Next, what letter is that? C is for? C is for? K. K. Alright, other please, letter I is for? Ice cream. I is for? Okay, good. Next, letter K. K is for kite. Kite. K is for key. Letter O is for onion. O is for orange. Very good. Next letter R is for R is for? Very good. Good job. Next letter. U is for? Unicorn. U is for? Umbrella. W letter? W is for? Wall. W is for? Okay. Very good, Tina. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay.